Hey there, this is Dan Gadima from SEO Turbo Booster. What you're looking at on my screen is a typical internal of a web page. If you're like myself and working with the web for a number of years, or not, just want to go over a couple small details about your website, whether or not you use SEO Turbo Booster or not. Um, just some SEO tips to look for in your source. Even though, let's say, use WordPress or Shopify. In particular, you may never look at your source code. You should look at it every once in a while, even if you're a marketing person, even if you're not so technical. Just to give you a quick idea of how that works, what you do is you're looking at a page, and if you're I'm on a Mac, you on a Mac or PC, you can right click and you just use the page source right there, right? Okay, so we're viewing the page source of that page. Just a couple things. You may think this is just for the technology people, but this is for anyone that's in online marketing. You should be able to look at their thing and see if there's right here a meta description. See that wording right there? Sell your timeshare with my timeshare liquidator. Rent your timeshare with my timeshare liquidator. Okay, that is the wording right there that'll be used by Google when it shows up in a Google search result. Here's a canonical. The canonical matches the page URL up here that you're on. It lets Google know that there's not multiple pages with the same content. It says that this page is unique just with this. Some other things, this block here is for sharing. When you share with everything but Twitter, I believe, if I share on Instagram, it uses this like URL, it uses this information, this title in the share, okay? And this down here is just the Twitter share area. And then this area here is a new area that, I just explained rich snippets to somebody, which is hard to believe because we're in I think we're in year like 4 or 5 using rich snippets. We implemented it throughout my sites 2 or 3 years ago. But basically, and they're getting better by the day, each one of these lines, if you can look in here, see this where it says organization, that's a rich snippet, type organization. Here's another one down here, type website. This one's type search action, type web page. And those are important for getting found on Google. And then there's a couple other little things in here that are important. Those are the big ones for SEO. It's really easy. What I do is I do on my MacBook, AirBook, as I do control search, and then I look for, let's say, if I want to find the title tag. So it just lets me know, okay, this is the title. This is what's going to show up as the title in the Google search results. Okay? That's it for Dan Gadima, just to give you a little, that's it for SEO Turbo Booster. We're just giving you a little understanding of the back end. And a lot of times I'll look in here because I'll look under this robots, and right in here, if it says no follow, comma, no, if it just says no, that means you're not being indexed because you have your little checkbox discourage search engines. Have a great day. This is Dan from SEO Turbo Booster.